So that's one of the things that's really interesting and exciting about restorative reproductive medicine is amazing examples of heartbreaking stories that have really successful outcomes. A published case in a medical journal where a couple had 16 years of infertility. And my colleague, Dr. Boyle in Europe, saw them. And they went through all the treatments available to them in the traditional system. And then they sought restorative reproductive medicine and were able to identify what was the underlying issue, have treatment. And in the end, she had a full term, healthy singleton pregnancy, which is just amazing. But this is the focus of restorative reproductive medicine. It's not just bypassing the problem, it's finding the problem, addressing it, restoring natural reproductive function.